So if we look now here at the hydrogen chloride, what is the intermolecular force between the molecules? What do you think? Why is there any attraction between the two molecules? This dotted line. If we look at the geometry, so we draw the Lewis formula, what is special about this bond? Yeah? Exactly, so it's a polarized bond. So we have partial charges and a dipole moment. What about the symmetry of the molecule? Is there an overall dipole moment, or is it somehow compensated? Iodine is a solid. This is a liquid. It's one of the two elements in the periodic table that are liquids. What was the other element of the periodic table that is the liquid at room temperature? Mercury, right. So these are gases. Okay. So we cannot think about much dipole-dipole interactions here, right? So what will be the reason why this is a solid? You have first a higher atomic weight, right? This is a good guess first. And you have a large, big atom, and you can polarize electrons. If you think about, you have your iodine, and you have your fluorine, right? And now you have one electron, and one electron. So let's make it a bit like, let's make it like this. So here it's easy to squeeze and push and deform the electronic configuration a bit to induce a dipole. Here it's super hard, almost impossible, like in helium. So here you have between the iodine induced dipole-dipole interactions, so London dispersion forces or van der Waals forces, however you want to call that. What is the shape of the molecule? It's a tetrahedron, right? Is this a really symmetrical shape or not? It's really symmetrical. It's a Platonic body, right? So if we look at the dipole moments, what do you think? Are they adding each other, or are they compensating each other? They are compensating each other. So the overall dipole moment of this compound is really low, almost zero. Here is no other dipole, so there is no compensation. So this dipole is then more or less the dipole moment of the molecule. But here you have 4 dipole moments and they are compensating each other. So what do you think? Is this a gas, a liquid, or a solid at room temperature? It's a gas. Okay, you think it has a high or a low boiling point? A really, really low boiling point.